Hey everyone, and welcome to our morning math. We're on number 84. Start off by putting your name here and getting a piece of paper and a pencil. So first you see that we have division. You can see that it's written as 10 divided by 2. It's going to look a little bit different on our form because we don't have a division symbol, but it's the same thing, and we'll go over that. Then we have sum, which is adding. Then we have draw an array, which we're going to just talk about multiplication, fractions, place value, and our challenge problem. So first we start with 10 divided by 2. This is the same as saying 2 times what equals 10. Next we have 40 divided by 5, which is the same as 5 times what equals 40. Next we have 35 divided by 5, which is 5 times what equals 35. Next we have 25 divided by 5, which is the same as 5 times what equals 25. As you can see, we're doing our 5 times tables. Hopefully you see that, and it makes it a little bit easier to make that known. Next we have 60 divided by 5, or 5 times what equals 60. Next we have 15 divided by 5, which is 5 times what equals 15. Next, 45 divided by 5. 5 times what equals 45. And finally, 20 divided by 5, which is 5 times what equals 20. So hopefully you found this to be fairly simple since everything was 5 times, and hopefully you know your 5 times tables by heart, I hope. Let's move on down to addition. So when it says sum, that is the keyword for adding. So we're going to add 5,317 plus 3,571. Add them straight down. 8. Hint, hint. And then you're going to finish by putting it in the box. Once you've done that, you're doing multiplication sentence for 7 groups of 8. So again, multiplication sentence, 7 times 8 equals what? Make sure you type it all out. When it says to write a sentence, you write the whole sentence. Next, what is 100 less than 773? 773 less than 100 less than, so you're subtracting 100. Hopefully you can do that in your head. If not, there it is on paper. Next we have 100 less than, I don't even see it, 152. So 152 minus 100. Next we have 100 less than 419. So 419 minus 100. Once you have that done, you are moving down to our final problem, which is the challenge problem. 3 friends combine their money to buy board games. So you have 3 people putting their money together. We had $17, $14, and $19 each friend. Friend 1, friend 2, friend 3. If each board game costs $10, how many board games can you buy? So we got to put their money together and then divide it by 10 to see how many games they could buy. So we have 17 plus 14 plus 19. So we start counting. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. So we put our 0 down here and our 2 up top. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So we have $50. So we know that there's $50 divided by 10. 50 divided by 10 equals how many games they can buy. So how many games? Put your answer, and don't forget, a word answer for a word problem. Once you're finished, you're done with your math. Congratulations, and let's move on. Have a great one. Palm it.